Update of background lists. The background lists are the rep lists on the input fractions, technologies, output fractions, and the model classification of the rep tool. If these terms are new for you, please have a look at the video General What is the rep tool? Beside these rep lists, the background lists also include the translation of the menu words of the rep tool. When you get your rep tool installed, these background lists will be the last available ones at the time of your installation. You should update the background lists from time to time, especially if you have got information about new entries to the rep lists or new program versions. This information you will get by email information from the RepTool administration and with the news at our website. If you click the button Update Now, wait some time until you will get information that the process has been finished.